This is so exciting. I definitely made it the right way. McCormick finishing sugar, the salted caramel, and you use Werther's original hard candies. You only need 12 of them. There was about 15 in a pack from the dollar store, but don't get the chewy ones. Definitely get the hard ones. Use your magic bullet and pulverize that. Only takes about 3 seconds or so. Next is sugar in the raw turbinado cane sugar. It's the brown stuff that you see maybe in little packs at restaurants. You're going to need a 1/4 cup. I'll put the recipe card. Well, it's not a card. It's what I wrote. Don't blend this again. We want those crystals, that little bit of crunch. A pinch of salt. I used Himalayan pink. Granulated, and then you may have seen this one in the box growing up like I did. It's just powdered milk. It's non-fat dry milk, but I bought this canister of it. This ingredient, however, I did have to order on Amazon. It's sweet cream buttermilk powder. I wouldn't go without it in this recipe. Definitely use it. This is the texture you'll get, and you're going to put it in those little spice jars. It didn't make a lot, so believe me, I'm going back to make some more, but I had to make sure it was the genuine taste, just like the McCormick is. And it is, folks. You got to try this. Share it with your friends. Sorry it's late. And it's Christmas time already. Love ya.